Hi, I'm a nurse with the school immunisation team. We visit schools to give vaccines to kids. If you still need your MMR vaccine, we'll talk to your parents to set up a time for you to get it. The MMR vaccine helps protect you from 3 viruses: measles, mumps and rubella. These viruses can make you very sick with things like meningitis, blindness, or even hearing loss. You can catch them from someone who is coughing or sneezing, or from touching surfaces and then putting your hands in your nose or mouth. The vaccine will help keep you and your family safe. One child in a classroom can spread it to 9 other kids who aren't vaccinated. In the video, you'll see George getting his MMR vaccine today. The nurse will ask him a few questions, like his name and birthday, to make sure she's given the vaccine to the right person. Then she'll give George the vaccine in his upper arm. It only takes a few seconds and it might feel like a quick scratch. After that, George can go back to class, knowing he's helped protect himself and his family from getting sick. You will need 2 doses of the vaccine to be fully protected. If you miss the vaccine at school, don't worry, your parents can schedule an appointment. Like all medicines, the MMR vaccine can have side effects, but not everyone gets them. The side effects are usually mild and last for 2 to 3 days. They might include a rash, swollen glands, feeling a little sick, or a high temperature, about a week after the vaccine. For more information, check the links below.